Did you know that we inhale up to 10,000 particles of microplastics every day? Now think about how many plastics we directly put into our mouths. This could be cutlery from your lunch in the cafeteria, straws when going to the cinema, and your daily morning coffee. Even products like paper cups often have disguised plastic components, which still include microplastic.
Let me make more clear for you. Like take a fish of the salmon. There have been a lot of studies about microplastic in the fish industry, where salmon contain alarming amount of microplastic, which will end up ingesting. I want to think about this. How can one fish in the entire ocean be contaminated to that extent?
If this is the case for Bob, how many microplastics do we as humans take in every single day? This includes the air contaminated with rubber particles from car tires, as well as food in plastic containers, whether the cutlery is plastic or not. The packaging itself already contaminates the food. Some things you may not immediately think of include makeup like lip gloss or lipsticks, and you even absorb plastic through your skin when in direct contact with creams held in plastic bottles. There's a great chance that the product you're watching this pitch on right now has microplastic.
When looking at the ingestion rate of microplastics on a weekly basis, this equals to taking in an entire credit card. Mind you, this is only looking at direct ingestion, not considering all the other ways plastic finds its way into our bodies.
We at Root Cup aim to reduce microplastic consumption through 100% of the plastic-free coffee cups. Even though the research is in an early stage, there are clear indications of health implications due to microplastic consumption and the additives included in the plastic. This could range from respiratory issues to digestive problems to cancer in the long run. The goal is not to remove these microplastics, but rather minimizing the chances of these issues occurring in the first place.
This is becoming more and more relevant since plastic production usage increases with each year, making younger generations a high-risk group. When we look at the to-go beverage consumption demographics, it also shows that out of the 98 million coffees bought every day in the UK, 1.8 coffees are bought by millennials and Gen Z every day, making the Blank Street and the City of London our prime target, with every coffee cup containing up to 3.3 grams of microplastics.
Now that we have explained the why, let's move on to what the beneficial factor the customers. Of course, the factor where will be not microplastic in our product is the primary benefactor, but realistically, the average customer is likely not going to care or too much about whether the cup has plastic lion if it is 100% plastic free. A coffee customer is still going to have their morning coffee.
To address this issue, we have come up with an idea that motivates both the end consumer and the coffee shops as distributors to rethink their priorities. As we have already established that Blank Street would be our first collaborator, it is safe to say that due to the already established young and modern audience, we can market our product to those target groups. To address the young mind and current issues in the world, we have incorporated seeds into the coffee cup, allowing consumers to use them for their personal garden.
We realize that not everyone in London has the privilege of owning their own garden, which is why there will also be bins specifically for these cups located in Blank Street to ensure that our product will not go to waste but rather be used for something good.
With this, we aim to improve people's health in the long run.